Lyric, are you happy with your food? Nana, the first bite.
A big burger.
Papa's burger looks beastly.
The size of that burger.
Daddy's burger also looks beastly.
My burger's been stabbed, Lyric.
Yeah. Linky, how's your grilled cheese? Is it good? The first meal, grilled cheese
Well, let's put it here.
and fries.
Link, you want this?
What did you guys get for breakfast? Lyric got his favorite mini wheats and
bacon and
Ba-
some potatoes and some coffee.
yum.
I got the first one.
Wow. You got a lot of coffee. Well, lucky boy, you're on holiday. What do you say? You say thank you. Luxury. Daddy's over there cooking up a storm on this little camper stove. This is for the food vlog.
It's really not good enough for you guys. Oh, I see. Oh, that's coleslaw. I thought that was extra lobster.
Daddy, this is your first lobster roll.
Yes, it is.
That's a hot lobster.
Let's see how it's gonna roll. This is a hot lobster roll. Yeah. Wow. Let's do it. It's creamy. Oh, that's good. That's good.
I like
Right?
Lyric, what did you order? Daddy has mountains of fries. Mommy's on the seafood chowder binge. Seafood chowder again. Oh my gosh, these look really good.
No, they're huge. Especially a big couple.
Oh,
If you like
Linky,
them.
let's see. Let's see what we can
They're
like.
scallops and they have fish.
Octopus. This is octopus. You have to try it.
You have to try it. You try it.
Ugh.
Did you find the inside? Oh, don't gag on it, please. You might have to cut them for him because he can't bite the long part. This is the scallops. Wow. They look so good. And the rice.
Okay, Mom.
Nana got the most amazing looking lobster
Are you ready
linguine.
for
Wow.
your
Are you sharing?
taste of that?
Thank you for sharing. How is it, boys?
Go.
It's good. And then the food over on this end is a huge platter. Like fish and what was it?
Scallops.
And scallops. We got scallops on scallops tonight. Yeah. It's hot. Be careful. It's good though, right? Oh yeah.
Things like David.
Are you having a special drink?
Come here.
Fingertips.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Where do you choose?
Yes, Lincoln?
With the red hat lyric. This is what Mommy and Daddy grew up watching. Theodore the Tugboat.
Behold the pretzel from rolled gold. These are made in Nova Scotia. We just found out yesterday. Nobody eats them in the munchies, so I'm gonna eat them all.
This is citrus, yeah.
That is exciting. Kettle sour. And deja vu.
The milk stout.
It's good. And the mango and dragon fruit sour. Look at that fun art.
So fun.
Pretty exciting.
This space is huge, by the way. It's really cool on the inside. I think I just got a water droplet on the screen. Sorry about that, guys. But it's really nice. Lots of seating outside, lots of seating inside. Like, I think this would be a really cool little brewery stop. And Tyler noticed that the tasters, or the, what am I thinking? The flights.
Yeah, they got a flight that's like the size of a barrel top. I think like 15 or 16 different little
Beer
cups,
samplers.
little, flights that you can get. So you can sample everything on the tap.
Wow.
Look at that.
Look at that.
What's that?
Chocolate cookie.
It's you.
Oh, Mom, look, they call them elephant ears here. In Edmonton, at a bakery called Bonton, they call them a sweetheart. Are you guys getting rid of their condensation for them? All right, eat them. While the adults are getting caffeinated, the children are already burning.
Workout time.
Workout time, you're funny. And then we're right here at this narrow espresso, which is so narrow. It's this little itty bitty shop. Go. I love that you have samosas. Like, that's really unusual. Come on, honey. You're hiding in this in the corner, drinking your drink. This is where we're going for dinner. The Alexander Keys and Black Sheep. Look, a courtyard arch. There's this one here at the window. Let's go to the patio, honey. Nice whistle. I heard ya. That's another window. Whoa, more stairs. This is cool. Watch the street. Something. Yeah, this is good. No, Lincoln, too high. Sit on this one.
Your head, Lincoln.
Lincoln.
Your head.
I forgot to film. This is the lobster ravioli. This is the side of focaccia. Here's Lincoln's food. Lincoln, did you just try the squid ink dip?
He sure did. Do you like it?
Did you like it? Dip it again. Show us. Dip it again.
Squid ink?
This kid's lashes are so long.
I know.
Oh my
He's gonna
gosh.
trip on them one day. Seriously.
Did you like that dip?
Yeah.
Whoa. Let me see this dip. It's so cool. Daddy got the pakora burger.
It's been
and
like
fries.
daily here. He gets something free from somewhere that someone's like, oh, just here's my lemon loaf. It's like random stuff like that.
Whoa! That would be so noisy.
Behind the boat.
Behind the boat is called a wake. Hi. I heard you spin the wheel to pick your flavor. That's fun.
Yeah. Help people decide.
Land on the chicken cranberry brie.
Like your pie?
It was really good. That was amazing.
Yeah.
Good job. You have your own coffee. Lip smacking good. That look good. Fork? How about a fork?
Oh, what?
Ooh. The mushroom and brie.
Yeah. What is that, Lincoln?
Aioli.
Oh.
Lincoln just took a lick of aioli. This is Alderney Landing Area walking path. Like, that is incredible. The Dartmouth Brightwood Brewery, and then right across from it is the Lake City Cider, which is pretty cool. Okay, what did we get? That's the question.
4, 5, 11, 7.
Oh, okay, read them
Take a
out.
picture of that one. 4 Portland Street Porter. And then 5 we got Made Me Blush Rosé IPA. 11 is Cole Harbor Irish Red. 7 is Lost Time Hazy IPA. This is the hardest part of food vlogger, people. I just want to eat. Are you ready?
I am. Open it. Oh my gosh! Look at that.
Damn. Look at all that pickle.
Look
They
at
put
all
a lot
those
of pickle on there.
pickles. Oh my gosh! I can't wait.
Some of these pickles out of the way.
This is a classic Nova Scotian thing. Donair sauce.
Oh yeah.
Donair sauce on your pizza. So we got the Alexander Keith soup. It's cheese soup or something, right?
Yeah.
Linky is rocking grilled cheese. And we got lobster nachos, people. Lobster nachos.
I need some mine.
And Lyric, what do you got?
I have a spear in mine.
Ooh, you've been speared. Ah! Deadly. Deadly with the toothpick.
Would you like some ketchup?
Okay, Daddy, first bite of something. The soup or the nachos?
Should I give a spoon? Oh, give me just 1 spoon.
Do you taste lobster?
Spear it. Ow! Daddy. Lincoln. Check this out.
That's lovely.
Lincoln.
A nice little hint of beer in there.
I've been spearing.
Some for the baby. Homemade gingerbread. No, I got the picture already. And this one, she served it with ice cream. She said it was the best with ice cream. How's the ice cream? Very lovely. You're your mommy's boy. It's so good we lick the plates. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Woo! Done. Okay, we made this awesome ice cream pit stop on the Bedford Highway here, Bedford Sackville. The place is called Booza Emessa, and it is small batch Syrian ice cream. I'm just gonna read it to you guys because I was like, this place I have to go to just for this reason. Syrian ice cream is called Booza in Arabic. Booza has a satisfying, chewy texture thanks to the key ingredient, which is mastic, dried resin from the mastic tree. The mastic causes Booza to melt slower than other ice creams, making it the perfect treat for long, hot summer days. We have a rainy day. It's like terrible. But this ice cream, I was like, we have to go in, we have to try this place. And the guy's been really awesome letting us try a whole bunch of flavors. I just had a rose flavor and the coconut was really good. Let's see. We're gonna get 12 scoops to go of it. I'll show you all the flavors, but I'm just gonna read some of them to you. Coconut, pistachio, candy, lavender, chocolate, rose, pineapple, cheesecake, Papaya. I'm losing my voice. Anyway, it's been really cool, and this place is definitely worthwhile to hit it up. So if you are in the vicinity, we're on our way back into Halifax from Peggy's Cove. So this is a stop. You know you want the ice cream.
There's even a lighthouse there. Do you see the lighthouse?
This is a cool bridge. And there's only 2 lanes.
Wow, we're on the bridge.
Whoa. It's
All water.
Units. That's
We're going to the island over there. You can't even hardly see it yet.
No?
Just like in Mulan.
Just like in
Remember,
Mulan.
like in Mulan, where they got the dragon? And that's his feet.
We're at the Dunes Studio Cafe. Let's go. Is he eating? These look so cool. Are we going down, Lyric?
We'll do later.
Let's go down.
Next year.
Oh my gosh, Lyric, we're on the water. That's what that is. That's water. You can fall in. Oh my gosh.
Don't let them go.
There's the water beside us. And the kids found this great spot to hide. Yeah. And we're right by the water. I love it. Lincoln's like, what's that? What's that? You just so ready for food, hey? Oh yeah, put it right here. Put it right here, mommy.
You gonna
Eat
have
the
some
fries. Eat the fries, honey.
You can have some fries.
Say thank you, Maji. Do you see that giant lobster? Go shake his claw. They're funny, look. Cow patties. Fish bait. Seashore shells. And fox poop. Well, thank you for your help today. It was lovely.
Yes, lovely to meet you.
You as well. We found the raspberry cordial at the Anna Green Gables Heritage Site. We're gonna give that a try. Tyler, you got the seafood bake.
I did.
Is it good?
Yeah, haven't gotten in it yet.
Lyric is having nachos. Oh yeah. Maji had this broccoli chicken crepe. How is it, Mom? Oh, thank you. Chicken noodle, basic. Legal thing over here, the potato pie thing. That sounds really neat. How's your food, Lincoln? Is it good?
I just saw the wheels of turning.
And we had to maneuver the sticky date pudding away from the small being. Oh. Tonight's dinner is at the Founders Food Hall and Market.
What's it say?
There's a giant sunflower up there. Oh yeah, the pulled pork potato from the potato bar. We had to stop here. It looks good. Wow. The poutine one looks amazing.
Order up.
And this is the giantest panini I've ever seen. Like, it's so big. Holy Toledo's.
It's called Cavendish Beach.
Cavendish Beach?
I wonder what
I like
Mama
it.
went.
Whoa! Those garlic fingers. Lincoln found the nice upper seating area. Oh, my little table jumper. Hey, that's not what the table's for, just so you know. Maji brought strawberries at the market. Oh my. Whoa. You guys, okay, there's all these other samosas, but I got the lobster samosa. Yeah. I'm excited. This is our final meal. One last lobster roll, hurrah. Lincoln, are you liking lobster? Yeah. We got Nana here. How is the French fries and the flatbread?
I didn't even.
What? You didn't even taste it yet. That's all you wanted was fries. You're gonna try the flatbread. Oh. Are you rolling?
Yeah.
This is a lobster dip. Wow. It's got lobster in it. It's good.
Yum.
Oh my gosh, look at that big piece of lobster you got.
That boy.
You like it? No, I don't like it. It's good. You want to dip in it though. You do like it. There's nothing like a homemade fish chowder. This is so good.